Hello, and welcome back to EnglishAudio, the place to improve your English. Just by listening, we read clear and slow English to help beginners. I want you to take a deep breath. Let the air fill your chest. And as you breathe out, let go of the worry. Let go of the comparison. We often live our lives looking around us. We look at other people. We see someone who is rich. We see someone who speaks English perfectly. We see someone who seems happy all the time. And then we look at ourselves. We look at our small house. We look at our mistakes. We hear our broken English. And a heavy feeling comes into our hearts. We feel behind. We feel like we are at the bottom of a mountain, and everyone else is at the top. We think, I am standing in a bad place. I am not good enough. If you have ever felt this sadness, I have a gift for you today. It is a new way to see the world. It comes from a wise writer. His name was Wendell Holmes. He gave us a compass to find our way. He said, the great thing in this world is not so much where we stand as in what direction we are moving. Let those words wash over you. It is not about where you are. It is about where you are going. Imagine for a moment the wide ocean. Close your eyes and see the blue water. It goes on forever. In the middle of this ocean, there are two ships. Let's look at the first ship. It is a giant golden ship. It is beautiful and shiny. It is standing in a perfect spot. The water is calm. The sun is shining on it. If you take a photo, it looks perfect. But there is a problem. The engines are off. The sails are down. The captain is sleeping. Slowly, silently, the current is pulling it. It is drifting backward. It is drifting toward the rocks. Now look at the second ship. It is a small wooden boat. It is old. The paint is peeling. It is far behind the golden ship. It is in the middle of a storm. If you take a photo, it looks like a struggle. But look closer at the captain. She is awake. Her hands are on the wheel. Her eyes are looking at the horizon. The sails are full of wind. This little boat is moving forward. It is fighting the waves. It is getting closer to home. Now ask yourself the question, which ship is better? The world usually looks at the golden ship. The world claps for where we stand. But Wendell Holmes tells us the truth. The small boat is the winner, because it has direction. In life, standing still is an illusion. Nothing stands still. If you are not moving forward, you are slowly drifting backward. So let's look at your life today. Maybe you feel like the small boat. Maybe your English is not good yet. Maybe you make mistakes. Maybe you have very little money. This is just where you stand. It is just a temporary location on the map. It does not define you. What defines you is your direction. Are you learning one new word today? Yes, then you are moving. Are you listening to this video? Yes, then you are moving. You are steering your little boat toward the sun. And that is a great thing. It is greater than being a genius who does nothing. It is greater than being rich, but lazy. This perspective changes everything. It takes away the shame. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to be moving. Think about the speed of your boat. Sometimes we feel we are too slow. We want to be a speedboat, zooming fast. But the quote says nothing about speed. It says direction. Have you ever walked in the wrong direction? If you run fast in the wrong direction, you just get lost faster. It is better to walk slowly, in the right direction. Slow progress is still progress. Imagine a turtle and a rabbit. If the rabbit sits down to sleep, he is standing still. The turtle moves 1 inch, then another inch. The turtle has the right direction, so the turtle wins the life. Do not worry if your English is slow. Do not worry if your career is slow. Just ask yourself, am I facing the right way? Am I trying? Now you might say, but the ocean is scary. There are storms. There is fog. Sometimes I don't know where to go. This is true. Sometimes life gets foggy. We lose our job. We feel sad. We stop seeing the destination. In those moments, you don't need to see the whole map. You just need a compass. A compass is a small tool. It shows you where north is. Your north is your dream. Your north is a better you. Even in the dark, you can look at your compass. You can take 1 small step north. That is enough. When you wake up tomorrow, you become the captain of your boat. Before you get out of bed, check your compass. Ask yourself, what direction am I choosing today? You have 2 choices. Choice 1, drift. You can let the day happen to you. You can scroll on your phone for hours. You can complain. This is letting the boat drift. Choice 2, sail. You can decide to move. You can say, today I will read 1 page. Today I will be kind to my family. Today I will practice speaking. These are small actions, tiny waves, but they turn the ship around. They point you toward your great thing. And here is the most beautiful part. When you start moving, you stop feeling small. The person who is trying is never small. The person who is learning is never poor. They are rich in potential. They are rich in hope. So stop looking at where you stand. Stop looking at your feet. Lift your head. Look at the horizon. Feel the wind on your face. Grab the wheel of your life. You are not a statue. You are a sailor. You are not stuck. You are just beginning. And as long as you are moving, no matter how slowly, you are doing the great thing. Keep moving. Keep sailing. Your future is waiting across the water. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.